Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I'm going to show you specifically how to shut off the water supply to your auto fill valve or auto leveler. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, before we go any further, I want to thank you once again for watching my video. Remind you to like it by clicking that little thumbs up button below this video. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. And please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool, who's interested in saving some money servicing their pool themselves. Also, please check out my membership channel, poolschooler.com. It should come across the middle of the screen, poolschooler.com, for more great money-saving, do-it-yourself pool maintenance tips, tools, checklist, product list, etc. All right? So I've had a couple people email me lately saying, how do I turn off the water supply to my auto leveler or my auto filler? So in my videos on those, I've actually talked about doing that, but I'm going to show you specifically how to do it. Typically, it's not near the actual auto leveler itself. You got to have to kind of look around your pool, and it's typically tied to a hose bib. I'll show you what I mean right now. So this is one of my client's pools, and his pool is way around the corner behind there. So it's pretty far away, but this is the hose bib that their auto leveler feeds to. So obviously this is the hose, right? And then they have a main water supply coming up from the front of their house. And then this little valve right here is what's going to control the water. Well, this one's going to be too, it's a backup. But these two valves, this pipe right here, is what goes to the auto leveler. So it's underground and it goes all the way out to the auto leveler of the pool. The way you turn it off is very simple. Anytime, so as far as a rule of thumb, see this valve right here? If it's in line with the pipe that it's mounted to, then it's open. If it's perpendicular to the pipe that it's mounted to, this one's really tough to turn because we don't really turn it off very much, it's off. So in order to turn it off or on, you want to just rotate it. I'm going to switch hands because this one is really tight. Might have to crank it a bit. Okay, so right now it's on. Now you could shut this one off too. Sometimes they have two, sometimes they have just one, but you want to find the one that's closest to being in line with, that's connected to the pipe. Then you just want to rotate it to close it, and that shuts off the water supply to your auto leveler. Now remember, if you close that off to do a repair or replace the auto leveler, make sure once you get done, after you get the new auto leveler in, you turn that back to on. Man, these are tight. And remember, in line with the pipe that it's mounted to means it's on. Perpendicular like this means it's off. It would be the same thing here, because you notice this one, the water supply comes up through this pipe right here, through here, and then over to here. So you could actually shut that one off too, but I always recommend just doing that one. Either one, as long as it shuts the supply off. Hope that makes sense, but that's how easy it is to turn it off and on. So there you go, folks. That's how easy it is to turn off the water supply to your auto leveler. Now, one thing again, you might have to walk around your house to find out which one specifically goes to your auto leveler if your pool is so equipped. Sometimes your sprinkler systems, your irrigation system is hooked up to the one of the hose bibs as well. So you might have to check to see which one it is. Typically, it's at the hose bib that's closest to your pool, typically. But like I said, with this example I just showed you, it's pretty far away. But do check that out. That's pretty much how simple it is to do. So I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, remember you can leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address would come across the bottom of the screen right here. As always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share my channel with everyone you know. And please check out my membership channel or my membership website, poolschooler.com. Until we meet again, thanks again for watching. Remind you to be safe, have fun, and always, always, always watch those kids and pets and elderly folk around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.